Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. It's Nancy, and I'm lucky this week I get to make the snack. So because National Honeybee Day is in August, that's what we're working on this week. We're working on some bee stuff. Make sure you pick up your craft at curbside or come in and pick up one. You'll get a little packet like this. It has your reading log, so make sure you fill that out too so you get some prizes. So today we're going to be making a little bee, and what's a bee without some flowers? So that's what we're going to make this week for snacks. So the things that you're going to need are some crackers, some grapes, and I've cut them in half, blueberries if you have them, and if not, it's okay, strawberries, and I've sliced them up, and then bananas, which I've peeled and sliced. So bananas, crackers, grapes, then of course some of my favorites, peanut butter and jelly. And what would a snack be without a little chocolate? A little chocolate syrup or something like that. You can get the squeezable kind, it's just fine. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our crackers and kind of get them ready. And so we're going to start by putting some peanut butter on the crackers. I just love peanut butter and crackers. In fact, I could eat it just like this without anything else. But we're going to be a little more decorative today. Have to make a little bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. So I'm just spreading the cracker with some nice peanut butter. If you don't like a lot of peanut butter, you don't have to put a lot of peanut butter on. If you don't like peanut butter at all, nobody says you have to put peanut butter on at all, but I think it holds it together really well. All right. Next, we're going to make a little flour, and so I'm just going to take some strawberry slices and I'm going to push them into the peanut butter, one on each side. And then I'm going to take a couple more slices and put them on the other sides just to kind of make the outside of the flour. And you can put as many pieces as you want. And then, because I like peanut butter and jelly together, I'm just going to put a little bit of jelly in the center. And then I'm going to top it with one of my favorites, a blueberry. And so it makes a little flour, just like that. Yummy. If you don't have strawberries and blueberries, that's okay. You can just do it with the banana and grapes. So I'll just take a little round cut slice of banana. And then I took one of those and just cut it in half. Which I'm just going to wipe this knife off. It's always good to wash your hands before and after you cook. And make sure that you clean up as you go. So just cut the banana slice in half, just like that. And then you can kind of push those into the peanut butter as well. And then you can decorate it with a blueberry, or you can decorate it with half of a grape. I just put another little bit of peanut butter because I like it. But you don't have to. Just put it on top. And there's another little flower. Now the fun part is the bee. Yummy. So what you'll need is one round slice, which you just kind of put towards the end. 1/2 a slice of grape, and it kind of goes towards the end. And then another piece of banana cut in half. And those are just the little wings. Now, a bee needs some stripes. So, and this is my favorite, the chocolate. You're just going to make some stripes. You can use the squeezy bottle and squeeze some stripes on, or I'm just going to make little stripes with the chocolate just like this. And you know what? If your stripes aren't exactly perfect, it's okay, because you know what? Nobody will know. You'll eat it. It'll be just yummy. So there you have it. Bees and flowers. Good enough to eat. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.